Hello everyone and welcome to another poster tutorial. So today we're going to do this really cool isometric sliced text in Adobe Illustrator. It's going to be really quick, really easy and an amazing visual. So let's go. First, let's just create a new document, 1700, 2400, vertical orientation, RGB, and just press create. Bam. Next thing, let's select our text tool here and write our text. I used slice. I'm gonna actually change to my favorite font at the moment, and I'm going to increase the size a little bit and also make it all caps. Let's just go to character here, press these two T's, make it all caps. Perfect. Let's just delete this one. Let's just scale it a little bit more, and then let's just go to object and then expand. Press OK. And go back to our toolbar here, and let's just use our segment line tool to create a really nice cut, if you know what I mean, like using the this line to actually make the direction of the cut we're gonna use. Let's just take out the white fill. Let's just select both of them. Let's go to our Pathfinder. We can find the Pathfinder tool in the window menu, Pathfinder, and then there it is. Using the Pathfinder, actually I lost it. Within the Pathfinder tool, let's select both of them and just press the divide option here. And we have our text sliced. Great. Next thing, let's just change the color to something lighter like this. Let's select the text again. Let's go to Effects, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic, Extrude and Bevel Classic. Perfect. On the position here, we're going to actually choose Isometric Top. And we're going to just select this edge here and just rotate it a little bit so it faces the other direction. And let's just increase our extrude depth. Sorry for, I've had a long week, I'm quite tired. Extrude depth for 150. Custom rotation, press OK. And let's go to Object, Expand Appearance. And let's again press D. So actually release the colors to black and white here, which is really cool. And let's just click on our object here. Let's go to Object, and then on Group. So you can actually move individual letters now. Let's just scale this a little bit more. And let's just select this letter S here. And let's go and just select all the edges here. And we're using the Pathfinder tool, we're gonna unite them. Same thing for this one. Same thing for this one. Great. Actually made a mistake here. We shouldn't ever unite that one because it's part of the slice. So let's just keep it like this. Perfect. Let's do the same thing for C. Be sure we don't connect those two sides that shouldn't connect. Perfect. Here is our right. And actually there is a bit missing on the S here. So click twice to select it, and perfect. So now what we're gonna do is actually drag again, going inside of the selection, and just drag our cutted shape here, and drag it a little bit out. Do the same thing for L. Select all of them, drag it out. Same thing for letter I. Drag it out. It's already created a really cool effect of the cut element, which is really cool. Slice, and this one, and this one. Be sure to select all the edges so we don't actually miss anything. And yeah, it's like the actual effect is actually done already. The last thing we need to do now is actually just apply some colors, which is actually gonna get the colors I used from the other one. I'm gonna just go to, I was going to copy and paste it here, but I can just go to Window, Swatches, Art History, and Pop Art. I use this Pop Art library here. And let's just select some faces here. Let's just actually select all of the letters and ungroup them again. So I can actually select individual faces now. Let's just do this really quick so I don't take much of your time. And this will be like a nice yellow. Do the same thing for these edges here. And this will be like a nice orange. Same thing, not that one. This one, this one, this one. Sorry, again. try again. And let's go. No. Be sure to select only the right ones. Actually need to have the color. And orange. Perfect. Oh, this one is orange as well. And let's go select the cut scene ones, which is these ones here, maybe. No, I think just these ones. And we're gonna apply like a nice blue. So we actually have like a difference in between the letters, meaning like, oh, inside the letter is like a blue, or you can use any other color. You don't need to use the same colors I'm using. As long as you actually understand the technique, that's what's the important part of these tutorials. Let's select these letters again. Let's go to Object and then Group, so we can actually move them together again. And now let's just go again to select them, Edit, Copy, and Edit, Paste in Place. And let's just drag one copy up to the top. Same thing again. Paste in place, and let's just drag another copy on the top like this. So we create like this stacked effect, which is really cool. Creates like a little bit more of like extrude and detail on the letters. Maybe I'm gonna select them actually, and I go to group them again and scale this down a little bit, and just leave it like this. And then I'm going actually back to our rectangle tool here. Gonna make a really nice rectangle. Make it black. No, like this dark gray is enough. Send it to the back. Click to remove the stroke. And actually using the pen tool now, I'm gonna make like a fake shadow. Like a projected shadow that's happening here. Maybe it goes inside. And then now I'm gonna use like a full black. So it creates like a nice effect. Send it to the back together with the background. And that's it. We have our sliced inspired poster for today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it wasn't too quick. You were able to actually understand. I try to make these videos as quick as I can, because I don't think we need to take like half an hour to learn something. So, but sometimes maybe I'll go too fast and I need to replay the video or something, or I don't know. Let me know what you think about these tutorials, by the way. And if you don't not subscribe yet to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to share it with your friends as well if they are designers and if they want to learn really cool things every day. I'll be doing videos. I will try every day. I think I'm in a row. I'm doing it, but I can't actually promise that and then fail to you. So yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching this today, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.